Hi, welcome back to another one of my videos. Hope you guys are doing good in this coronavirus situation. We're not out of it yet, and apparently coronavirus is like this, seven-headed serpent that is so hard to take down. Much less keep it down. And but on the side note, there's a glimmer of hope. A lot of companies are, pushing out vaccines, and I think one of the British companies, AstraZeneca or something, it's in this final testing stages of the clinical trials, and that's something I would want to look forward to. And I think a lot of other companies out there are trying to develop the vaccine, and I'm sure like sometime late this year or maybe next year, probably a safer bet would be next year, a vaccine might be available. So in the meantime, just stay safe and hang in there. Do not get the coronavirus get to you. Mask up. Do not question why you need to mask up. Save yourself, save everyone around you. And in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I need other support I can, and I'm already halfway to where I am intended to go, my target. I'm halfway there. I try not to talk too much about that target, but yeah, I'm halfway there. And to get to even this halfway point, I would really want to thank you all you guys for your support, for checking out my videos, and especially some of you guys who keep posting comments. So yeah, I'm back with this video. I've been trying to do a few videos a couple of while ago, but there are people in my house, and I don't really have the space to do a proper video without waking up the whole family and relatives, and besides, in the daytime I'm taking on another job, so I don't really have time to do videos as much as I can in the day, so I can only do it at night or on my off days. And yeah, that aside, today's video is really special. Why? Because okay, let's just dive right into it. Probably gonna start talking about this in a separate video, but today's video is not about this. Yeah, this is really awesome. Today's video, I want to talk about this. Yeah, I don't think I've found any videos on YouTube on this. What is this? This is Mead. It's actually like alcohol from an alcoholic beverage, and an alcoholic drink. Mead, made with fermented sugar, fermented honey, and water. And according to Wikipedia, it's one of the oldest alcoholic beverage in history. And why did I decided to get like a Mead bottle to try out Mead? Because like I grew up watching all the fantasy movies, old movies of Greek nature, and more often than not, like Lord of the Rings, I don't know, the Kingdom of the Last Kingdom on Netflix, I don't know, so many, even Game of Thrones, the recent one, like all the, maybe even Jason and the Argonauts, the really old ones, like all these sci-fi movies, all these Western movies of like Nordic, or like the Viking ages, like everyone is like drinking mead or ale. So I kind of got this really like interest in what it's really the kind of beverage that folks were drinking back in the days, and in all these movies then and shows that I watch, it just I got the interest built up so high that I told myself, no, I'm really gonna get myself one of these Mead. But because Mead, I don't really know which company makes the oldest one, but I do believe that because it's such an old drink, like I think back according to Wikipedia, folks in Egypt, back then in the days were drinking mead, like in the European countries were drinking mead, the Vikings, the Nordics, the Danes, everyone's drinking mead. So there might be a different variations, but so there's no way for me to find out which is like the oldest factory or the oldest brand to make it. And it's not really easy to get it here in Japan because it's not like an Asian drink or something. But I found out online, and there's this place that I got it cheap, So yeah, I got one of this. It's called pardon me, I'm not German, so maybe I am not pronouncing this correctly, but it's like a Bären Mead. Is this how you say it? Bären Mead. And it's called Edelhop. This one is like 15% alcohol, and I really wanted to try this. For a long time, so it comes in this really interesting bottle, I got here in Japan. It's not like super expensive. I think it's like $20 or $30 or something. I'm just gonna try it out, and I got my like really special baccarat. Is that how you say it? Baccarat. Glassed. I was given to me and my family for like a like a present or something, and I haven't used it ever since. It's been in storage. I decided to take this one out, just to try out this special alcohol, and maybe in this new series that and I talk that maybe I do more alcohol for you guys in the future, because as a grown man after work, you come home, what's the one thing you want to do? Grab a can of beer from the fridge, and eat something and watch TV and play games or something. That's what everyone wants to do. So back these days, I kind of like want to come home after work and have a nice drink and have a nice hot bath before I hit the sack, go to sleep. So yeah, let's just get it going. Let me go, guys. Let me know what what do you think in the comments, about Mead. If you know anything about Mead and everything, what kind of brand should I get? Let me know about it. I really want to know how is it like. So it's the bottle. It's really interesting. On the top here is like a beehive, and just unscrew it. Oh, there you go. I think I just broken the seal. Oh. It has a really strong honey smell to it. Well, after all, it's made from honey, and water. So let's just pour myself some Mead and try it. Okay, I think that's about enough. The point of this video is I just want to try it for a little bit, not get myself drunk in front of camera. I don't want to look bad. But yeah, this is the first time in my entire life trying Mead. In the movies, they drink mead or ale. I would want to try ale, but I got my hands on Mead, so this is the first time in my life I'm actually trying out Mead. Cheers to you guys. Let's try it. Wow, it is good. I'm gonna take another sip. Wow, it's really good. This is what Mead actually tastes like. Oh my god, what have I been missing out all these years? This is so good. Okay, once it goes into your mouth, the first thing you feel is the fragrance of the honey. It's just the fragrance will just blows out in the entire mouth, and then there's a little bit of sourness in it, maybe from a fermentation, but it's so smooth and it's so nice to drink. It's fragrant. It doesn't come in very strong. It doesn't leave a very strong aftertaste. The sweetness of the honey is so mellow. It kind of like blooms up in your mouth, and then it goes through your nostril when you breathe out. Oh, so good. Wow. My first time trying Mead, and I'm loving it. Like, who doesn't love anything that's made from honey? It's so good. Okay, this is basically, yep, Mead it is. I'm gonna get myself more Mead in the future, and there are YouTube videos that people make Mead, but I don't want to ruin like perfectly good ingredients, because I don't really have the knowledge. I leave it to the professionals, and just get a bit of my funds that I make for my work to pamper myself to such amazing drink. Wow, this is really good. Bären Mead. I don't know about the other brands of Mead, but if you've never tried Mead in your entire life, grab a bottle now and try it. This one is only 15% alcohol. It's so good. I'm loving it. So basically I'm like almost 10 minutes into the video. Yeah, that's it. My first time trying Mead, and it's so good. Wow. There is a little bits and pieces of like jelly. I don't know what is it in the drink, and you can chew on it. It's crunchy. It's part of the drink, I guess, and it's really good. Yeah, basically this is me trying Mead. Let me know in the comments what other kind of Mead should I try. If you're in Japan, where should I get really good Mead? I like try different kind of alcohols and drinks and spirits and whatnot, but I really like to try anything that is like with a long history, or controversial, that is like a drink that is like a banned for a long time, and This is the one that I want to talk about in a separate video. This is absinthe. It's not just a regular absinthe. You know, if you don't know what absinthe, I'll talk about it in a separate video. This one is really special. I think it's called Amelia Pernod, Vuex Portali or something. We're doing a separate video. This one's really special. So yeah, I just try not to bore you guys out. This is my first time trying meat. It's really good. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making, drinking, late evening with all the kids and the family out there having dinner, making a big ruckus. But I'm here in my room, and it's so hot here in Japan. Summertime now. Summer is probably going to be over soon, and yeah, I'm probably gonna be able to wear more jacket and hoodies and whatnot. But now it's just so hard. In the meantime, yeah, thank you guys for checking out my video of me drinking mead alcohol. If you're underage, don't try to drink and everything. But if you have to drink responsibly. In the meantime, take care of yourself, be kind to animals, and mask up, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in future videos. This is me signing off. Yours truly. Take care. Bye.